Hey guys, if you're looking for some great lights for your house, whether they be Christmas lights or all year round lights, whatever that might be, this is a great option for you. It's a cool brand. It's a great idea. And it's a cool thing. I want to show you guys how it works. Then we're going to set up a few outside and show you guys that. You have a bunch of different options when you want to set this up. So number one, it comes with these little pieces right here. And so what you're going to do, you can either screw these in. They have a bunch of screws right there, or you can either peel this off and stick it to whatever you're sticking it to. So whether you're sticking it to your house, your shed, like, you know, a little storage option, whatever it might be, you want to peel this off or screw it in, whichever one you want to do. You can do both if you'd like to, just to make sure it stays up there. Then once you've done that, you're going to come back behind there, grab your light and just slide it in, and it clicks right in there. And so that's a really cool, easy way to do that. The connectors are these little connector pieces right here. You can see all they're going to do is screw them in. Here's one of the other side. See how they screw it in right there. Screws right in, screws into the main piece. You got the main little frame right here. Then you plug it in, and then it's ready to roll. So again, once you've got it up and got it all set up, it looks really cool. And then you have a remote that can control it, or you even have this button right here that can control it as well. They do have a little guide right here that helps you remind you keeping Eve's lights 2 to 4 inches away from the wall. So it just kind of has a little measuring thing if you want to do that. But I want to show you some of the lights and some of the scenarios. You can see right here when you turn it on, you can see the different colors going on right there. Really bright, a lot of cool colors. You have on the remote here, you have like a red. You can just control the red, green, blue, warm white, and then the cool white. So you got different colors on those. And then you also have the auto. So it would just kind of auto go through them and change colors like this. You also have a mode, so you can do different modes in there. So it's really bright on that. So I don't know if you guys can tell, this is really bright. So you got different modes, go through different modes, different colors. Again, all this kind of stuff. Different things like that. Different, some of them are moving, some of them are, you know, are sitting still. So cool little features on that. Then you have, you know, some are just the white, and you can just keep going through them all. So the cool white and also the warm white right there. Really cool option on that one. And then even a little darker color. That's probably a color you could use like all year round. And then here's another one. So again, maybe even like a little greenish for Christmas time. All the different colors they have. Kind of going through those. And then you have like, you know, these right here that kind of move around and kind of play, you know, play a little round. So really cool option on that one. Again, depending on what you might want, you can do all different colors, and you can even stop it on certain ones. So if you like something, you can pause it. You know, you can pause it right there, and it's stopped on this one. Start it back up, let it keep going. So you can do all kind of things. You can set them, that stuff. You can turn them off again with the remote. Hit this button right here, runs through everything as well. So really cool option, really cool feature. I'm gonna go set up a couple of these so we can check them out. Hey guys, just to check these out, I actually decided to do one of my gazebos here in the back. And so what I'm going to be doing right here is just actually peeling off the little back piece and sticking them to the top. This again is super easy to do and is very simple. Anyone can do this. So all you're going to have to do is stick that off. You can actually take it off, unpeel it, and then stick it there and then slide the light back on there. Or you can even just do it like I'm doing here. The second one is actually just take the thing off and then push it on there as well. So it's a nice, easy way to use this, an easy way to do it. And again, if you're going to be doing a lot of these, like if you want to do them all under your awning or if you want to do them all over your house, then you might want to find that faster way to do this, just because it will be a lot. But I do like this because there's not really any measuring. It's already measured out for you. You can see the length of the little strings right here is actually on there as well. So all you're doing is actually just pulling the little tabs off of there and then sticking them onto your device, whether that be your awning, your shop, your house, or whatever that might be. So it's super easy to do this, and it shouldn't take you a long time to put all of these up as well. So I went ahead and got this finished, and now you can see what it looks like. I think this looks incredible. A super cool, like, just array of lights up here, and this is just part of a strand. You guys know if you want to put the entire full strand up, it will give a ton more color to the area, and also, you know, just lights in general. And so again, this is just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 lights themselves. So again, if you're going to use them all, you're definitely going to have a ton of light and have a lot more to look at. And so this is a great little option. Again, it's super easy to do. You can put these up. You can use them for Christmas time, but then you can just even leave them up all year round because they look really nice. And again, it's super easy to control it just into like a regular light show or a regular light setup. So you don't have to have a ton of like Christmas themed or any kind of thing like that. You can just have regular lights. But overall, I think these are pretty easy to put up, and I think they're going to last you a long time. Overall, these things are great. Highly recommend that you check these items out.